Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can design a letterhead page on the Canva. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Canva, and after that, we have to create our account. And now I'm going to search for the letterhead page here. So we have to write the simply letterhead here. For example, I'm going to write that. And now as you can see, you will get a lot of designs of the letterhead. Now you have to choose that which design you want. For example, I'm going to choose this design here. You can choose any of them. For example, you can also click on this one as well. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will get the similar designs here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to click on this option, customize this template option. So let's click on the customize this template, and after that, as you can see, now we will be redirected to the editing mode. Now simply what we have to do, if you want to make changes in the name, you can also do that. If you want to change the logo, you can also do that. As you can see, each and every option is provided here. You can zoom in or zoom out, you can paste your text here, you can edit the every information here. And after doing these all changes, simply we have to click on the share, and after clicking on the share, we need to go to the download option, and then we have to choose the file format, that in which file in that that in which format you want your file. And after that, simply we have to hit the download button, and the letterhead page will be ready to use. So in this way you can design a letterhead page on the Canva. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.